Salom do'stlar. Ushbu videomizda Essential birinchi kitobini tekstlarini tarjimasini davom etamiz. Va bugungi tekstimizning sarlavhasi The Crazy Artist, ya'ni telba rassom. Tayyor bo'lsanglar boshlaymiz. Fraunhofer was the best artist in the world. Everyone loved him. Ya'ni o'sha Fraunhofer ismli odam o'sha dunyodagi eng o'sha zo'r artist edi va hamma uni yaxshi ko'rar edi. The quality of his paintings was very high. Ya'ni uni chizgan rasmlarini sifati juda ham baland edi, ya'ni yaxshi edi deyapti. He always used the best materials. He made a big profit from his paintings. Ya'ni u o'sha har doim odatda juda ham eng zo'r o'sha materiallardan ishlatar edi va u o'sha rasmlaridan juda ham katta foyda olar edi. He had delicious meals with his rich neighbors. He taught art classes. Life was good. Ya'ni unda o'sha mazali ovqatlar va boy qo'shnilar bor edi va u o'sha rasm darslarini o'rgatar edi, ya'ni bizning tilda aytganda repetitorlik o'tar edi va hayoti juda ham yaxshi edi. Then his attitude changed. Ya'ni keyin uni harakatlari o'zgardi. He stopped selling paintings and teaching. Ya'ni u o'sha rasmlarni sotishni va o'rgatishni to'xtatdi deyapti. He tried a new method of painting. Ya'ni u o'sha rasm chizishni yangi metodiga urinib ko'rdi. Ya'ni yangi metodni boshlamoqchi bo'ldi. He stayed alone in his apartment all day. Ya'ni u o'zini kvartirasida kun davomida yolg'iz qoldi deyapti, yolg'iz bo'ldi. He worked all day and all night, rarely eating. Ya'ni u kun davomida tunlar, ya'ni aytadiki kechalari yu kunduzi ishladi va juda ham kamroq ovqatlandi. Ko'p ovqat yemadi xullas. Soon Fraunhofer became very thin. Ya'ni tez orada u juda ham ozg'in bo'lib qoldi deyapti. Xo'p. Juda ham ozg'in bo'lib qoldi deyapti. But he kept working on the same painting for many years. Ammo u o'sha bir xil rasmni ustida juda ham ko'p yillar ishlashni davom etdi. He worked as hard as he could. Ya'ni u o'sha qo'lidan kelgancha qattiq ishladi. Finally he finished the painting va nihoyat u o'sha rasmini tugatdi deyapti. He was very happy and invited other artists to see it. Ya'ni u juda ham baxtli edi, xursand edi va boshqa rassomlarni buni ko'rish uchun chaqirdi. I want your professional opinion, he said. Ya'ni u aytdiki, menga sizlarning mutaxassis, professional fikrlaringiz kerak. Fikrlaringizni xohlayman ushbu rasm haqida deb aytdi. He wanted them to judge it and compare it to other paintings. Ya'ni u ularni bu suratni baholashini va boshqa rasmlar bilan taqqoslashini xohlardi. Everyone was very excited as they went up the stairs to his apartment. Ya'ni har bir kishi, hamma deyapti, juda ham bir excited, xursand edi, qanaqadir nima deydi? Xursand deylik, juda ham bir xursand edi, ya'ni zinalardan tepaga chiqquncha. Ishtiyoq bilan borasiz-ku, bir yangi narsani ko'rishdan oldin o'shanaqa Fraunhofer was excited to show his painting and the artists were excited to see it. Ya'ni o'sha Fraunhofer judayam bir xursand edi o'sha rasmni ko'rsatishidan va o'sha artistlar ham o'sha rasmni ko'rishga judayam bir ishtiyoqmand edilar. They will love it, he thought. Ular buni yoqtiradilar deb o'yladi u. But they did not. Ammo ular yoqtirmadi. Ya'ni mana bu yerdagi they will love it ni o'rniga, ya'ni ular yoqtiradi, bu yerda bitta verb bor, ish harakat. O'shaning uchun ham bu yerda o'sha asosiy ish harakat tashlab ketilgan. They did not. Ya'ni ular yoqtirmadi. Ya'ni they did not love it. Agar gapimizni to'liq yozsak. They were surprised by his painting. Ya'ni ular rasmdan ajablanishdi. There was no white anywhere. Ya'ni hech qayerda oq narsa yo'q edi. Oq rang yo'q edi xullas. Fraunhofer filled the whole painting with lines and colors. Ya'ni o'sha Fraunhofer butun boshli rasmni chiziqlar va ranglar bilan to'ldirib tashlagan edi. There was no space for a normal picture. Ya'ni odatdagidek rasm yo'q edi. Hech qanaqa joyda odatdagidek rasm yo'q edi deyapti. It was full of strange shapes. Ya'ni bu bir g'alati shakllarga to'la edi. To'la edi. It looked bad to the other artists. Ya'ni bu boshqa rassomlarga yomondek tuyuldi. He used symbols and they didn't understand them. U o'sha ramzlardan foydalangan edi, timsollardan, ammo ularni tushunmadi, ya'ni timsollarni tushunmadi. They thought it was terrible. Why did you paint this strange picture? Someone asked. Ya'ni ular o'yladiki, bu dahshatli narsa va sen bu rasmni nima uchun chizding deb bir kishi so'radi. Kimdir so'radi. They didn't understand its beauty. Ya'ni ular buni o'sha chiroyini tushunishmadi. But after some time, many people began to like his painting. Ammo ba'zi ozgina vaqtdan keyin, biroz vaqtdan keyin ko'pgina odamlar uni rasmini yoqtira boshlashdi. People wrote articles about it in magazines. Odamlar o'sha maqolalar yozishni boshlashdi jurnallarda. They said it was his best work. Ular aytdiki, bu uning deyapti eng zo'r ishi. Ya'ni mana bu odamning, mana bu rassomning eng zo'r ishi. They loved his strange symbols. Ular uning g'alati timsollarini yoqtirishdi, sevib qolishdi. They loved his strange colors. Ular uning g'alati ranglarini yoqtirishdi. Fraunhofer's painting reminded everyone that just because something was new didn't mean that it was bad. Ya'ni uning rasmi odam hammaga eslatadiki, har bitta yangi narsa, nimadir yangi narsa, bu juda ham yomonligini anglatmaydi. Tushundingmi? Ya'ni har bitta yangi narsa ham o'sha yomonligini, ya'ni har bir kishiga yangi bo'lgan narsa bu yomonligini anglatmaydi. Kun o'tishi bilan o'sha yangi narsa mojbut sizga chiroyli ko'rinar, foydali tuyular. He also helped them to realize that sometimes it takes people a little time to understand great things. Ya'ni aytilyaptiki, u odamlarga anglatib qo'ydiki, anglashga yordam berdiki, ya'ni buyuk narsalarni tushunish uchun ozgina vaqt talab etilishi mumkin. Ozgina vaqt oladi buyuk narsalarni tushunish uchun. Bugungi tekstimiz shundan iborat edi. Agarda siz Essential Words birinchi kitobini, eski videolarni ko'rmoqchi bo'lsangiz, mana shu ushbu Telegram kanaliga obuna bo'ling va bizni asosiy kanalimiz esa English Max. Agarda Telegramda obuna bo'lib qo'ysangiz bo'ladi. Unda ko'pgina ma'lumotlar bor, ko'pgina videolarimiz ham joylangan. Video foydali bo'ldi degan umiddaman. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.